guys, it's your girl Anndrew. So for today's video, please bear with me kasi it's my first time to react an MV. So I'm not ready to do this. So basically, it's the release date of BTS DYNAMITE. Tingnan niyo naman sa title. I'm so sorry, kakagising ko lang po. So right now it has 3 hours ago and it's already 4:06 p.m. So I'm gonna react to this basically right now. So I'm just gonna glam a little bit. It's just only a highlighter and this one. Hindi po ako nagkilay ngayon kasi ayun ang kinagisa ng aking kilay, diba? No? Kakagising ko lang po talaga. Mamadali lang ako kasi gamitin ko tong laptop. Nandito sa aking gilid ang laptop. Okay, at ito po. Nag-research na ako dyan sa so I'm not ready to react to this, but oh my god, let's just go. Oh my god, I see. I'm gonna rock. Okay, go. Atin ako. Go na. So guys, without further ado, let's start. Oh my god. Cannot wait. Let's go. Tangin na, speaker. Palakas ka. Yes. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, yes, bitch.
Kink out, get the drum rolling on like a rolling stone. Sing song when I'm walking home, jump up to the top of the brown. Ding dong, call me on my phone, nice tea, and I get my ping pong.
Oh, that's RM, bitch. Oh, sige. Oh my god. Ayun, hindi ko muna siya ipapost kasi ang hirap mag-post dyan sa gilid. Oh my god. Oh, bitch. Lang ha, ang init. Oh my god, that's my baby. That's my baby, bitches. Oh yes, they are. Hey. Oh. Hey. Oh. Hindi pala yun. Oh, bitches, that's more. Hey. Oh my god. Dynamite. I'm gonna cry, okay? Oh my god. Bakit ang guwapo mo? I'm not gonna cry, bitches. I'm not gonna cry, you know. Oh. What is it? As in, sabi ko nga hindi ko iyak. Oh my god, that was a bomb, bitch. Oh my god, umiyak na naman ako. Bakit ako umiyak dyan? Ang ganda kasi, itong cute nila. Oh my god, I wasn't expecting that movie. I mean the MV, I'm not expecting that MV. Ang ganda dahil, sobra dahil, super pa mas... Ang ganda super, hindi ko... My fucking voice is over... pasensya na po. I want to record it again. So I'm just gonna... That was it. I'm gonna react again, so let's go. Kinapulot mo heart na sabog-sabog yun. Ulit-ulitin ko talaga ito pagkatapos ng video natin dyan. Diyos ko dahil ha. Oh my god.
So much me bring the fire, set the night light.
Oh my god, my hair. Nakapol na din siya ni Jung Kook dahil. Wala ba itong subtitle? Meron. Mahampas ko talaga itong... Oh, go bitch! Hey, oh! Nakahanda pa talaga ako. Hey! I'm not ready. Hey, that's... Hey. Oh, Zuna. Oh, yeah. Oh my god, that's my baby. Oh, may pa airplane pa dahil. Diyos ko dahil. Airplane lang yun. Eh, that's my baby. Oh my god. May pangupal pa kayo. Oh my god. Ang cute na dun. Oh my god. Ang pangit ko pa naman tumawa. Oh my god, sorry guys. Ang ano ko sa kanila. Bitches. Oh. Oh my god, ano yung balahibo ko dyan? Bakit naman doon? Oh my god. Ano pa naman ulit? I'm just so happy guys, okay? Up like dynamite, eh. Yun na yun. Oh my god, I'm not gonna cry. Totoo lang talaga, it's my first time and please bear with me kung umiyak ako kasi I'm just being happy and excited kasi I'm not expecting this, oh my god, to the song. So guys, It's a good song. Mm. It's a good song. Like, oh my goodness. It's super the beat is super, you know what I mean? It's super catchy, you know what I mean? And oh my god, naluwag ng mata ko guys, sorry. I'm just super overwhelmed. It's my first time kasi to react on MV. It's my first time. May upcoming next react is the Blackpink. So, wait lang kayo dyan. So, I'm expecting this. Bitches. I'm expecting that. That was so bomb. In the music, I'm gonna rate it 9. Yeah, 9, and MV also. What I know that Dynamite is an English song. English song, but there are times na hindi ko talaga maintindihan yung pinagsasabi nila kasi yung mga time nung first nga nang nakita ko yung teaser nila is I think that yung teaser nila is nagko-Korean sila doon, but then nung inopen ko yung caption, it's not vicious, it's not, you know what I mean, it's not, so wala, but ko lang kung auto-tune ba yun or yun ba talaga yung boses nila pag nag-i-English sila kasi Korean nga sila guys. So ayun na nga, I'm expecting that is a big bitches good song, you know what I mean. It's a good song for me because you know what I mean, it's a song that inspires you a lot. Most of the armies kasi alam niyo naman yun na nag-i-inspire yung nakapag-inspire yung BTS sa inyo, sa atin, kung alam niyo na kung may i-release na mga kanta, and that also makes me cry, you know, but I'm expecting that song. It's a good song, I suggest, good song. So hope to have more reaction videos, and also don't forget na I hope there will be an MV from you know, Blackpink. Yeah, MV from Blackpink doon sa doon sa kanilang kanta. I can't wait sa upcoming collaborations guys. So guys, please subscribe guys, but wait, there's more. I'm gonna have a shout out sa mga bumoto sa aking post sa Facebook. So guys, magsha-shout out muna ako, okay? Back. So ngayon, magsha-shout out muna ako sa mga yun na nga, nag-vote sa poll ko, and basically there are 52 people who vote to my poll and there are 2 no. So shout out ko pa rin sila, diba? So first of all, shout out Ryan Josh Bailon Quintos. Sakto ba, partner? Ryan? Next is Jacobete Salona, Arniel Saques Alboroto, Raniela Marie Alesna Calva, Lotes Jean Lantixe, Kendrick Idelio, Lotes Jean, sakto lagi, Kendrick, balik na. Next is Yana A. Lopez, Angel Bacarisas, Heart Ejercito, Odessa Alcantara Lopez, shout out daw, Jimin. Next is Pipioch. Next is Princess Niña Aira Daza, Althea Ahigrona, Mary Chris Marinay, Rishini Jane La Rosa, Sakura Sama, Bernadette Rhea Ay Marapok, Doris Rossi Romano, Nicole Racaza, Erexus Carlos Solomon, Samantha Liera Encargues, Princess Diane, Jaira Maika Kapuan, Jaira Mika Di Guzman, Maika Di Guzman. Oh my god, limot kasi mo ko, Anjerax. Next is Samantha Faye Danyo, Christine Navarro Pahaganas, Rose Hazmir Carnable, Kimberly Ermac Batinaw, Vanessa Rando, Justin Rona, Jacqueline Kakilala, Irisha Gabitan, Ashley Denise Fuentes, Angel Min, Princess Mosqueda, Filomeno Singson, Rachel Garforce, Julie Ann Otrera, Marco Angelo Lebios, Randolph Indab, Arjane Rose Brasona Aniban, ang nong Liana, April, Kate, Jashitan, Wakbayracion, Tita, which is si Lizelle, Giliza Valejos, Mihara Luis Pitiluna, Lindsay Antabanas, Francis Briel Rosal, Nico Ramirez, Karyang Belarmino, and last but not least, Mary Maria. So guys, that's it for this video. If you like to have more reacting videos, just comment down below, okay? So I'm gonna end this because I'm gonna paulit-ulit. So I'm gonna just mag-i-edit pa ako nito dahil. So, I needed to have a very, very fast time. You know what I mean? Oh my god, yung face ko, parang nagsusmudge yung face ko dito. So basically, that's a simple glam lang, guys. Oh my god, ako lang to. That's it, guys. So, bye-bye. I hope that I'm gonna have more reaction videos, and I cannot wait to react to Blackpink and Pink collaboration, bitches. I cannot wait. So, that's all. Bye-bye. Stay safe.